In this video, we are going to learn about linear inequality, quadratic inequalities, and rational inequality. If you have some lessons that you think that it is quite difficult for you to understand, you can comment in the videos that you need to learn about this one. Okay, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And also, for Team Alien, don't forget, $sign is available. Fly, fly, fly. Okay, so today we're going to discuss about quadratic inequality. What is inequalities? Inequalities is involving we have the greater than, less than, and we have greater than or equal or less than or equal. Let's try to solve some problems related to quadratic inequality. So we have x squared plus 9. We have greater than 6x. Oh no! X is again here. We are looking again for our x's. But this x is so important. Okay, so first thing you will do is you have to arrange x squared minus 6x, because you will move the 6 on the other side. It becomes negative, plus 9 greater than 0. Then after that, to find your x, you have to equate everything into 0. X squared, okay, x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. And then you are going to factor out. So therefore, we have now x minus 3 times x minus 3 is also equal to 0. So x minus 3 and x minus 3 is also equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. Don't worry about your x. X can be solved. Okay? Sometimes your x will be your forever. X only, ex-girlfriend, and then it becomes your lovable, beautiful wife or handsome husband. Okay, so what are the value now of x? So we have now here x minus 3 squared equal to 0. So x now equal to positive 3. Now, how will we get the intervals? Okay, so for the intervals, we have line diagram, which is here we get the positive 3. So here you will have to find your forever negative infinity, and here will be your positive infinity. Which one is your forever? Okay, so let's try to test the values that will prove that you will get the value of intervals. So from here, this interval is from negative infinity going to positive 3. And then this side will be your 3 going to positive infinity. Okay? So, let's try to test now our equation that will give us a true definition of x. True definition of our equation, which gives us greater than 0. So first thing you will have is, let's say, from negative infinity to 3, let's choose 0, and then we'll choose 5. Okay, so don't choose 0 to send in the super chat. Use higher than 0 or greater than 0. Okay, so let's try 0. 0 squared is also 0. Minus 6 times 0 plus 9 greater than 0. So 9 is greater than 0. So therefore, this one is one of the possible answer, which is here will give you a positive result. Positive, not positive, positive of the pregnancy test. Okay, so if you are married, it's very good news. But if you are single, oh no, every time you will cry. Okay, because of the forever is gone. Next, let's try 5. 5 squared minus 5 times 6, or 6 times 5. 6 times 5. Okay, plus 9 greater than 0. So let's say we have 25 minus 24 plus 9 greater than 0, which is 1 now is greater than 0. Again, you got it. So therefore, this one is also a possible solution. So therefore, your answer now here is negative infinity values going to positive 3, and then union, so united, right? You will be united with your forever 3 going to positive infinity. Got it? So therefore, this is one of the possible, or these are the solution of that inequality. Next. Let's go to the next example. Let's say we have x minus 3 over x, okay, plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Again, it's greater than to 0. So therefore, what you're waiting for, send the dollar sign, click the dollar sign, dang, 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 dang. Okay, so here the values of x are x minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, we will have now x equals to 3 and then x equals to negative 2. Sometimes we will be deducted with our boyfriend and girlfriend. It hurts a lot, but no worries. There are a lot of possible answers for your love life there. Okay, next one. So we have now x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. So what are the intervals? The intervals are, you start again with the, sometimes it will curve, so we will make it a little bit straight. So negative infinity and a positive infinity. Okay? So, don't do that one. So you will have negative 2 and a positive 3 here. So therefore, we have negative infinity. Okay? Don't be nosebleed there. Okay? So you have to learn this one. Negative infinity going to negative 2. Next, negative 2 going to positive 3. And then next, we have 3 going to positive infinity. Always live a positive life. Positive love life. Whatever he does, you will do everything to make it over and over again. Okay, so we have, let's try to test negative 3. We have from here, let's say 0. Or let's don't use 0 again. 1, and then let's try here 5. So from here, let's check. Negative 3. Okay, so from that equation, you will get now, so from here, let's have x minus 3 and x plus 2. Okay, so then don't skip your mathematics class. Okay, so it's not good that you will have a bad grade in your report card, so that you will get a lot of good partners in life. Oh no, not a lot, just only one special. Okay, so here we have negative 3 minus 3, so the result will be negative 6, which is the sign is a negative value. Next here, 1 minus 3, the result is negative 2. The result sign again is negative. And then here, 5 minus 3 is positive 2, so the result is a positive number. Next, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, which is the result is negative 1. This one is, we have 3, so the result is positive. And then here, we have 7, the result is also positive. And then what you're going to do, you multiply the sign. And therefore, we have the positive, negative, and a positive. what we are looking for. You're looking for a positive partners, a positive solution. So therefore, our positive solution now here is in this corner and then this corner. So you will have two possible answers, two possible identities. Okay? So therefore, your answer now will be given as from negative infinity going to negative 2, and then you will be united with the other partner, which is 3, and we have positive infinity. Wait. That's not the correct answer, because when you check with your solution, you have to check that the denominator will not be equal to 0. That's now it will come the parentheses and then the brackets. What is the difference between the two of them? If 3 will be put into the value of x, the equation will not be equal to 0, right? So you will have let x equal to 3. So therefore, you will have now as 3 minus 3 over 3 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So 0 over 5 greater than or equal to 0, which is 0 equal to 0. Therefore, 3 is included to the solution. In mathematics, in fractions, just only the denominator will be the, you will consider only for 0. But if the numerator is 0, no problem for that. Okay, so the result will be 0. When you're going to solve mathematics, okay, so there are a lot of problems. There are a lot of concerns when you're going to solve problems in mathematics. But if I were you, you have to comment below what are the things that you need to know. Kobe Blogger or the Team Alien will help you to solve your problems. So in the next lesson, in the next time, we will help students. If you need help, especially for the modules back in the Philippines, PM is the key. We have a lot of secretary there. Just kidding. Okay, so PM is the key. I will help you to solve your modules without any charges. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to share what the knowledge I got. So don't hesitate to send me an email. If I have my Facebook, guys. My Facebook is in Kobe Blogger. I think most of you as well. Kobe Blogger. You can search this one, Kobe Blogger, or you can comment in my YouTube video. In the YouTube, we have comments there. Comment only that you need help for your module. I'll be there to help you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a great day, everyone. Goodbye. See you on the next premiere.